These are the elevators at the Meridian Tower, Carmel, Indiana. Look at this. Yup. We got luxuries, but the buttons are replaced. Wow. Very tall cabs. Holy crap. They're very nice though. Sucks the buttons were replaced though. Not a big fan of that. £3,000. Well, at least I can get the QR code. It's got a phone. Man, at least we have some luxury chimes in the Indy area. I think at least one more. That is so cool. I never thought there'd be luxury chimes hiding in the Indy area. These are so cool, even if the buttons are replaced. And we're stopping. Going down?
Yes, sir.
Come on in.